Siamo qui al Far East Film Festival e abbiamo incontrato Matthew, che è una persona che segue il festival da molti anni. Matthew, where do you come from?
I live in Hong Kong, originally from Australia, but I've lived in Hong Kong for the past 20 years.
20 years.
20 years, yeah.
Long time.
Long time, yeah.
Because he told me about
So yeah, I went there to work in the newspapers, and I've been covering cinema and various things like that since.
That's great.
Yep.
And why are you here in Udine?
I come every year to cover the festival. I did when I was full-time working on a newspaper, South China Morning Post, as film editor. That's how I first came here. And then for the past 7 years, I'm a freelance writer. So I come here to cover the festival, and increasingly I do stories about the region as well, and various aspects of the region.
So what do you think about our land, about Friuli Venezia Giulia?
It's beautiful, yeah, full of stories. It's good for me because it's full of different aspects that I can explore, from the food to bits of history. And this year I'm doing even some sports stuff.
That's great.
Yeah, it's great for me. Lots to explore.
What do you appreciate more?
Of those things? Wow, that's a tough one. Well, coming from Australia that doesn't have much history or much Western history, I appreciate the history, exploring, pieces of history here that not many people know about. Last year I interviewed Primo Canera's daughter up the road, and did a story for a magazine on her town and on his legacy. I touched on a bit of Odoric of Pordenone, the monk that's interned in thing, because very interesting, especially for my readers, for the readers of the magazines and newspapers I work for, because of China. So stuff like that I find fascinating.
That's great. What do you think about the people?
They're great, good. Yep, couldn't be more helpful. The festival people couldn't be more helpful, and the people that have helped me with my stories couldn't be more helpful. And the wine's good too, I must admit. A bit partial to the wine.
Red wine or white wine?
I like the Pinot Grigio. I'm doing a story on
Pinot Grigio.
Well, I'm doing a story this year on Pinot Grigio. So next week I'm staying back after the festival to go and visit some wineries.
Okay. So welcome back, and
Thanks for having me.
okay, thank you. Thank you very much.